What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this very video, I'm going to show you how you can save colors from any image or design in Photoshop. Now this is going to be pretty much simple and a quick one. So if you're new to the channel, I want to say you're welcome. This is Design with TK. I make videos like this and many more. So if graphic design is something that you are interested in, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I have all the valuable content that you need to improve in your graphic design career. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you need to check is that you have your swatch panel on. So to check that, go to window and make sure that the swatches is selected. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is to come to your swatch panel and create a new folder. Okay, so you can see we have different folders here, and all these are presets that Photoshop has provided to us, and we can also create our own. So that's what we are going to do. Now just click on this folder icon to create your folder. You can name it or leave the default name if you want. So I'm going to call mine colors like that, and I'll just hit OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to select my eyedropper tool like that, and what I will do is to make sure that I have my colors folder selected. Then I will click any part of the image or the design that I want to pick that color from. So maybe I want to pick this color. I'll just select this one, and you can see that it has added to my swatches. Okay, it has created a new swatch. So what I can do now is to just hit the plus icon, and it's going to save. Okay, so here I can change the name or I can leave the default if I want. I'm going to leave the default and hit OK. So I have this color being saved, as you can see over here. Then I can go ahead and pick another color from the image. So let me say I'll click this color from the skin like that, and I'll just click the plus icon. I can rename it or just maintain and hit OK, and you can see that it has also added to the color. Now I can repeat the same process again. Let me say I want to select this part, and I'll just hit plus icon, just rename or hit OK. Now you could see the process is very simple. You just have to repeat it and pick any color that you want. Let me try and pick a different one. Let me say I want to pick this one from the beard. Okay, hit the plus icon, click OK. Now it is saved. So you can go ahead and close it. When you open it, you could see that it has saved. And this is how you save colors from any image in Photoshop. You can use these colors in any project that you want. And yeah, so this is how you can save colors from any image in Photoshop. I hope you like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel and become part of this community. Now I have this design tutorial on this channel, so if you want to learn how to create it, go ahead and click the video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there. Thank you. Bye.